Stop folding your birth certificate. In a blog post I wrote recently on 876documents.com, I talked about the importance of caring for your documents. I did not mention the damage caused by documents from folding them. Do not fold your birth certificate, your marriage certificate, your citizenship certificate. Definitely do not fold that. When you fold your documents, they become damaged, and in those creases, if any part of any information is erased, it will not be accepted, not only by the Jamaican government, but any other entity who needs it will not be able to read it. I just got a birth certificate for a young lady recently because her birth certificate looked like it had been crushed all over, and it was all wrinkled, but her year of birth and I believe a part of her father's last name was gone. They will not accept a birth certificate with anything that is illegible. In another blog I wrote on 876documents.com, I talked about ways that you can care for your documents now, or ways that you can store your documents carefully. I provided affiliate links for pouches where you can store your documents and lay them out flat. Stop folding your birth certificate. I am Gail of 876 Documents. Thanks for watching.